Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use PayPal for your Facebook ads. So we are in Business Help Center right here in Facebook, and it says right here, before you begin, PayPal is only available for ad accounts to set up for automatic billing, which is what we're going to do. So make sure that your currency that you look to pay is accepted by PayPal. If it's not, unfortunately, you won't be accepted by getting billed by PayPal. So make sure all the pop-ups are enabled on your web browser so that you'll be able to connect your PayPal once it pops up. So to add your PayPal as a payment method, just have to go to your payment settings in your Meta Ads Manager. From there, payment methods, and then click your add payment method, select PayPal. If it's not showing up, unfortunately, then it's not going to be a option for you and it's not going to be available in your country anytime soon. So you'll just have to wait for update when it does. So click next, a pop-up window will appear and that will prompt you to actually link it to your PayPal. From there, complete the steps in PayPal and agree and continue, and then select done in the confirmation screen. Once it's done, your PayPal is connected to your ad account and it will ask PayPal the transaction fee. So there's gonna be additional cost for you to use PayPal, but it's just gonna use PayPal as its default payment method in your ads manager in Facebook ads. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.